Blood, blood, blood in the market. What would you expect? Yesterday was a green day, today is a red day. Nothing has changed. Fortuna Flow, smash the like button right now, subscribe, and let's take a look at the market. I'm going to tell you very quickly the things you need to know for the remainder of the week, and so that you can prepare yourself, not only investing in crypto, but also stock market and so forth. Starting with crypto, we have a red day today. Bitcoin dominance still is at 38.9%, which is pretty low for what it's typically at. Typically, you want to see it above 40. Right now, it's Bitcoin still is holding strong at 19,000, 19,300, and so is Ethereum at 1,300. That is positive. That's very positive. But something that's not so positive right now is that the dollar is still very strong. It is at 112, 111.99, and we don't like it. But silver lining is it's going down. It was at 114, and it has been struggling to remain above 112. It hit 113, and it looks like we're forming a lower high. Lower high means that typically we go up, form a higher high, and go up and form a higher high, and that's bullish. But the moment the market finds a very strong area and starts generating lower highs and lower lows, that's called market reversal. Do we have a market reversal? We'll see. We'll see. It looks like, in my opinion, the dollar's going down, down, down. All right. That said, let's take a look at a couple other bigger news. Again, overall, market is red. Most coins are red. Interesting, Raven coin is actually up. I should be mining that. But ETC is in the red, 2.5, Ethereum Classic. Most coins are in the red, and the market cap has declined slightly. It has declined, which is not positive for any of us, not positive at all. So, but in the last 7 days, we still do have some coins that are in the green. Bitcoin in the last 7 days, Ethereum in the last 7 days. Dogecoin, surprisingly, is pumping. As Elon Musk is announcing, actually, no, Polygon is pumping. Dogecoin is on the red in the last 7 days, but Elon Musk buying Twitter is going to trigger a rally. That's what I expect. That's what I'm looking at. No financial advice. But Polygon Matic is a layer 2 that's built on top of Ethereum and is used to speed up Ethereum. Creates a lot of faster transaction per second. It's also programmable. It's a mini version of Solana, but Solana, it's not built on top of Ethereum. Solana still is number 9, trailing behind Cardano. But Cardano, as you can see, it's not having a good time right now. It's really not having a good time at all. It's negative 8.5. My opinion, if I was to buy a token right now, I would buy Cardano. It has a lot of promise. There's a lot of opportunities. And Charles Hoskinson, who is one of the founders of Ethereum, is behind Cardano. Very, very smart guy. Very, very smart guy. All right, that said, remember that big companies are still buying Bitcoin by the millions. All right, we have companies like MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital, Voyager, all buying Bitcoin. There's a reason for that. They're not selling. There's a reason for that. Okay, we are oversold already, and I know I've been showing you the same chart over and over, the Bitcoin Rainbow and the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, right? So it went up to 22. Where are we today? It looks like we are 23. Fear is decreasing. It's decreasing, okay? So we were at 20. We were at 22. Now we're at 23. Okay? That's important. It looks like we are turning around. And you always want to buy, no financial advice, but you always want to buy on extreme fear. And how many times has it happened since 2018? 1, 2, 3, 4. I keep saying we are at the fourth best buying opportunity for crypto in crypto's history, in Bitcoin's history. That's a fact. No hype. It's a fact. We are ready for a big rally in a big way. All right. So looking also very quickly at the again, we're negative, but looking at the monthly, I always want you to take a look at the monthly. So let's look at today, October, on the monthly, on Bitcoin history. We're just barely in the red, guys. That doesn't happen. We either negative by over 3% and over 12%, or positive by over 10% in October. 27, 39, 14, 60%. Sweet, sweet, sweet 60%. Don't we want that? Don't we all want that? That's what we all looking for. Listen, I'm ready for that. Are you ready for that? I'm ready for that. All right. So let's look at the charts real quick, starting with Solana. So Solana peaked at 31.32. Very good selling opportunity, actually, but not financial advice. And it reversed. That is a topping tail. Topping tails indicate reversal patterns. Bottoming tails typically represent a rally on the opposite direction, which is the top, the up. So topping tails going down, bottoming tail like this one, it was a mini rally, right? So what is that right there? Actually, let's get all the way in. What is that? Let's just zoom it right back in. Listen, nobody else gonna show you a chart and break it to you like a book, like Fortuna Flow, Darwin Fortuna here. That right there is a doji. It indicates price exhaustion, getting tired, but also indicates indecisiveness. Doesn't know if you want to go down, doesn't know if you want to go up. They're just battling. And if you see, volume is really, really low. Volume is really not looking hot anymore. So that price exhaustion got followed by a topping tail. Topping tail. Right? Okay, topping tail, little inverse hammer, whatever you want to call it. But that sign right there, green or red, indicates price reversal down, continuation of the reversal, continuation down. So Solana is up for a disaster right now because we're going to go down more on Solana. But guess what? Solana is holding above 30 very strongly. Very strongly. I do not see it. The 29.72, strong support. Been going sideways on that range for quite some time. All right. So it looks like it's going to remain at that level for a little bit. And that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that it's going to break this level right here that I have drawn of 29.99. And it may break it. And if it retests that and reverse from it, we're going down and down to 29.72. All right. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is holding above 1300. That's a really good area to be at. Remember, Ethereum has been on a very sideways kind of range. Look, very low volume movement on the 1282 or so. Then got a pump, and the pump got retested back down, got broken, but then it got broken up, and that is validation that the 1300 is strong, but the 13333 is a strong ceiling, strong resistance. So we're going to go down from there. We battle that up with a series of high, but then lower high. Now it looks like we're gonna go back down and retest that 1272 1282. All right, no financial advice, but that's what I see happening right now. Bitcoin, it's holding above 19,000, and as long as it's holding above 19,000, I believe we are up for good. We are up for good. Again, look, try to break that 19,000, try to hold below it. The bears were not able to keep it below 18,000 because those prices are juicy, 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 guys. Juicy, juicy, juicy. So broke all the way up. Resistance at 19.3. Retested the 19,000. Broke right through it. Because it broke right through 19,300. It's strong enough for me to believe that that support, it battled with it slightly. That's shoulder one, head, shoulder. So head and shoulders look like that. And if they break below the neckline, which it did, they go down. They are reversal pattern. So don't put your hopes to, if you're shorting it, don't put your hopes to up, because right now we're still not oversold. In fact, this is a textbook divergence. We went really down on the price and we're still up on the RSI. If the momentum is up and the price goes down, that's a bullish divergence. So I would say we're up for good right now, guys. So that said, what's coming up in the market? What's the one thing you need to know right now, right this second before I let you go? We got meetings from the Feds on the 20th, and there's not much going on tomorrow. Interest rates discussion, things like that. But on the 20th, we're gonna be having Governor Lisa D. Cook talking. Governor Philip Jefferson is gonna be talking. He's gonna give a speech, and everybody's waiting to see whether they're going to be hawkish or dovish. Hawkish or dovish. What do you think is going to happen? What are you guys expecting? Overall, that's it, guys. Not too much to talk about. Again, I believe that we're up for a rally. We're up for some good stuff. And we're just waiting for that to happen. I continue to DCA. I continue to hodl strong. And I'm going to continue to move forward. Thank you so much. Subscribe, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and share with somebody else that wants to learn how to get financial freedom. This is the way. Darwin Fortuna here, forever with you. Thank you.